You are welcome to Adedapo Online Maths Clinic. I am Adedapo. In this video, we will learn sort, the definition, the explanation, row 1 and 2, and the basic form of sort. Sort are square root of numbers that cannot be simplified into whole numbers or rational numbers. For instance, the following example, the root of 81 can be simplified. This is 9 times 9 gives 9. And the square root of 25 can be simplified. 5 times 5 equals to 5. These two square roots can be simplified. There are certain numbers that cannot be simplified, but most numbers do not have the exact square root. Examples of such numbers are these type of numbers that do not have the exact square root are called sort. We also have sorts such as the cube root of 5, the fifth root of 27. But in this lesson, we will concentrate with quadratic sort, which is the square roots. There are 6 rules in sort, but in this lesson, we will concentrate with the first and the second rule. Rule 1. The root of n is equals to root of n times root of n. Let's take one example. 49 times 4. If you multiply them together, you have 196, which is the same as 14 times 14. That gives you 14. Now, let us write this same number in this form. If it is written as the root of 49 times root of 4, which is in this form, let us see if it will still give us 14. So this is the square root of 49. The answer is 7 times the square root of 4 is 2. So that gives us 14. This is 14 and that's 14. So you can see that this and this are equal. For rule 2, the square root of m all over n is the same as the root of n all over the root of n. Let us still use 49 and 4. So the square root of 49 over 4. This is 7 over 4, which will give us one whole number, 3 over 4. And to prove this, if it is also written in this form, square root of 49 all over the square root of 4. This is the same as 7 over 4. You have one whole number, 3 over 4. So that is that for rule 2. For the basic form, the square root of n is in basic form if n does not contain a factor which is a perfect square. Let us take, for instance, we have root 3, square root of 10, square root of 17. Now, the factors of this, you can say 3 times 1, you say 2 times 5 for the factors, and this is 17 times 1. If you look at all these factors, none of them is a perfect square. So this work, the square root of 3 is in its basic form. It can no longer be simplified further. So when you have something like this, you leave your answer in this form. So this square root of all these numbers are in their basic form. Let me take example. The square root of 80. If you look at this number number, this is a perfect square. So we'll have something like this, 16 times the root of 5. So this will be 4 root 5. Now this number now cannot be simplified further. So you leave your answer in that form, in its basic form. So the answer to this question is 4 root 5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to learn more. Bye.